Hey glam dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are fabulous today and welcome if you are new here. I know I have a few new subscribers, so welcome to our little family. So as you guys may have noticed, I've been a little MIA this week, and unfortunately, for the time being, I am gonna have to go down to 2 videos a week. I'm just very, very, very busy right now and adjusting to my new job. So just for like the next month or so, I'm just gonna go down to 2 videos a week, but I'm still gonna be putting out some amazing content. So as a matter of fact, I have a video that I'm working on, and it's taking a little bit of time because I debated putting it out, but I've actually gotten a couple of requests from people to go ahead and put it out, and it's definitely going to be deep, and it's going to be very real and very scary for me to do. And I want it to be perfect, and so I'm putting a lot of time and effort and my whole heart into it. So that I'm hoping will be up next week, and I don't want to say too much more about it. It's very special to me, and I'm hoping that the response for it is good. Just, I hope it's something you guys like. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, as you guys know, we have our giveaway going on right now for 3 Natasha Denona palettes. We hit our 1,000 subscribers, and I am celebrating in such a huge way. So if you have not done it yet, make sure you get entered, and you can come back every single day for extra entries into the giveaway. I'm giving away, the first prize is the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette and a pack of makeup brushes. Then the second and third prizes are both the same. They're the mini Lila palettes with a travel size pack of makeup brushes. So make sure you guys get entered. The link, the hyperlink, is down in the description box. You have to be verified that way. You have to be, it'll verify that you are subscribed to my channel, that you do follow me on Instagram, and I think there's also a video you can come back and watch every day. It is the same video, but you can come back and watch it every day for an extra entry. So if you guys go ahead and do that, you will get entered to win one of the 3 palettes. And yeah, so you have to, like I said, click that link. It's going to verify everything. And it also draws the winners for me. It's like the easiest thing ever, and it keeps your information private because you do have to have an email, because this time I'm contacting the winner, because last time I did a giveaway, there were scammers trying to claim other people's prizes, which is why I'm changing things up, and I'm going to be the one contacting the winners, and only after that, then we'll go ahead and announce them. So I will do a reminder to have everyone check their emails on that day to find out the first 3 winners. And if the winners do not contact me in 48 hours, then I have the little app draw another winner for me. So yeah, get entered. Now, for today's video, fall is finally upon us. Pumpkin spice everything galore. I get white girl wasted on pumpkin spice everything. I play it out. Like, I have pumpkin spice candles burning, pumpkin spice coffee, pumpkin bread, pumpkin freaking everything. And so I have decided to full on throw myself into fall makeup looks, and I created this smoky eye look today using the Norvina palette. I haven't really used it since I first got it, so I wanted to bust it out and create another look with it. So stay tuned for that look, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. We are using this bad boy, the Norvina palette, and I'm first going in with Eccentric for my transition color. And since I have hooded eyes, I'm going right above my crease and taking that almost up to the brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with Passion and start that on the outer corner of my eye. And then we're going to sweep that on the inner corner and connect it in our crease. Don't worry about being perfect here. You can cover your whole eye if you want, but we are going to be placing another color in the center of the mobile lid. And I'm just blending that out now and using the same brush that I had our transition color on to blend that out. And now I'm going to take rose gold, and that's the color we are going to set on our mobile lid right in the center, just to brighten everything up and add a little bit of shimmer. And now for our lash line, I'm putting Drama on, which is this gorgeous dark purple color, and it is shimmer. I don't normally like to use shimmer because I have a lot of texture underneath my eye, but it is such a gorgeous color, and I'm also sweeping that on the outer corner and bringing that in on the lower lash line about halfway, and then I'm just going to blend that out. And now for the inner corner highlight, I'm using Dreamer and just blending that up a little bit and just to lighten things up. And now I'm going to use Better Than Sex mascara. I had this little travel size one, so I decided to put it to use and just coating my lashes and getting them ready for falsies. Oh, and my camera didn't record my black liner, so I just put black liner on my waterline and my upper lash line. And now for my falsies, I'm just using the Ardell wispies and my black duo lash glue and popping those babies on to give a little extra oomph, because as you can see, I have no lashes. And then I'm just going to use the Mario Badescu lavender spray just to set everything down. And I'm using for my lips Milani Emotion liquid lipstick. This color is so gorgeous. These liquid lipsticks are really drying, but it's such a gorgeous color. And this is the final look. Super easy, quick fall look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's just so simple and so quick to do in the morning, especially before work. And it looks like you put so much effort in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys go get entered in our giveaway to win one of the 3 Natasha Denona palettes. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.